Hi, I'm Vinny, and I'm a supervisor for our pressure line. So, you're thinking of becoming a production assembler, or what we here at Emerson like to call an instrument builder. We call this the supermarket. As you can see, our instrument builders are picking the parts needed to build one of our units. Emerson puts a lot of focus on ergonomics, which you can see as they move through the line. The stations here at the front of the line are all pretty similar. They're assembling different units. Look at how focused and steady Leticia is while performing high pot. Great job, Leticia. Most of the stations on our production line require standing, but we rotate every couple hours so that our employees have a variety of tasks each day. At this station, we need to be able to lift each unit into the calibration machine. Yep, still got it. At Emerson, we pride ourselves on having superior quality products. Along with multiple quality checks, we also complete one final inspection before preparing the units for shipping. Up top. At Emerson, we are so thankful to operate in a temperature-controlled, clean, and well-lit environment. Apply today and come check it out for yourself. We look forward to meeting you.